Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you want to learn or be updated about anything that has to do with earning money online, cryptocurrency, law of attraction, and a lot more, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you and enjoy watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about SunTrust Finance token. And currently they have this airdrop which will last only until 16 days. And when you claim this airdrop, you will need to pay about 16 cents to 20 cents for the network or gas fee. And you can claim around 700 tokens. Yes, it's only 700 tokens. And the good thing, guys, is this. They already applied for listing in CoinMarketCap, which according to their website is pending and will be approved in any day. And according to SunTrust management, they are trying to list their coin at around $6.40 plus. So that means if you can get these 700 coins and you will have at least $6 value per coin, then it's a big win, right? So I don't know until when they will still put this airdrop live, but if you feel that it has a lot of potential after you do all your own research and you feel that this fits for you guys, then you might want to claim it fast before they increase their pricing for this airdrop claiming. So if you are not familiar, guys, and you want to claim this airdrop and you are not familiar on how to do it, please watch this video tutorial for you to be guided accordingly. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, always keep safe and God bless.